It's the most wonderful time of the year, right? Okay, we've got some Riki stuff. And Riki is on Oprah's favorite things. Hello, didn't know that still existed. It does, and guess what? Riki's on the damn list. And I just got a PR package from them about 2 weeks ago, and I have not talked about this yet. Super cute. The PR package came with earrings because it is a travel case for your jewelry. It is a jewelry travel case / mirror. This is not sponsored. This is not an ad, but I did get this as a PR. There is a charger that comes with this. This is a ring holder. If you can see, do I need to turn my ring light on? We are doing this without the ring light right now. This is a ring holder, and then it has 2 little sides. Then guess what, bitch? It's a mirror. It's a light-up mirror, that's for sure. And it is also, like I said, a jewelry case. So you take this bad guy off that is actually supposed to be covering your jewelry. The detailing on this is so freaking cute. First of all, this iridescent, like, what is this called? Oh my God, I can't think of the word. Whatever. Anyway, look at how cute the heart is on there. And this box that it came in matches. I love it so much. Prismatic? Prism? I don't know. Anyway, look at how cool this is. It comes with a necklace holder. These little guys, you can hang your necklaces and then stick them in there. This is one-handed, y'all. And then I haven't even taken off the plastic that goes over top the mirror, but this is so cool. It has a little handle that you hold and you press the button right there and you have a little travel mirror and it lights up. 3, 4 is off. That is so cool. So cute. This is the Riki Super Fine Riki Loves Riki. I cannot say enough great things about my Riki lights. I have now 3. I have 2 travel ones. Oops, I should have put that underneath. So I have this little guy now, which I actually need a traveling jewelry case. And this literally came in the mail when I was talking to my husband about that. Awesome. Cool. That is one of my favorites. Also, I Instagrammed them like a while back, or I commented on their Instagram. That's how I got on their PR list. They have sent me almost all of their brand new stuff. I'm out of breath because I'm so excited talking about Riki, honestly. And this, okay, so all the moms out there that may have daughters that are like, I want to start a YouTube channel, or I need to do TikTok, or whatever you need to do. But you also need a mirror, and you need to be able to stick your phone on the mirror. This whole situation is amazing. I think this is the Riki Skinny, and it comes with, I've actually taped this on my mirror in the bathroom. Taped it on the mirror in the bathroom so that I could film a hair thing that I never ended up posting. So it comes with that. It comes with a magnifying mirror as well, which is great. Tweeze those brows, girl. And then the Riki light. It has a Bluetooth feature, which I have not used, and I don't know what it's about, but I should probably figure that out. You can also brighten the light. I think it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it goes 4 and then off. So same as the travel small little case. And I'm pretty sure somehow there can be a camera and Bluetooth situation figured out. I should probably have looked that up before I've been posting this. But it also has a charger that comes with it, just like that little guy right there. The charger's in the other room. And it comes with a traveling case. Also, it comes with this, so it can sit upright like so. You stick it right there. Now you can see my couch. But hi, yeah, this is what it does. And then, like I was saying, it comes with the traveling case. It's a little dirty. I have taken this to Hawaii with me. I've taken this all over. It comes with a little area to put the actual mirror. And then, oh, this is another traveling Riki. And then it comes, you know, you put your magnifying thing, you put the close-up, this guy in here, and then you put the charger, and then your little thing that it sits on goes here. So that is the Riki Skinny. Obsessed with it. Cannot say enough great things about it. Not because I get it for free, because I use it every freaking day. Okay, and then I got this right before Michael and I went to Malibu for our 1-year anniversary. And look how cool it is. I have not utilized it how I should. I honestly stuck this in a drawer and totally forgot about it. And then I was like, oh my God, why am I not using this? When I saw it on Oprah's Favorite Things or saw Riki on Oprah's Favorite Things, I was like, oh my God, I need to get all my Riki stuff out again. And you touch this little heart at the top and the light comes on. I think so. It's supposed to. It may not be charged because I have not charged it. It also comes with a little depotting thing because you're supposed to depot your eyeshadows or highlights, blushes, whatever you want, and use this as a palette. Isn't that really cool? But you're supposed to be able to touch that heart and the lights on the front come on, but I think I need to charge it. Yeah, and that has a charger on the side too. So yeah, these are my Riki things I'm obsessed with and just got this one recently. This is my unboxing. And that's it, okay? Love Riki. Go buy it. Wish I had a discount code.